When working with variables, we have to keep in mind that our program will not compile if we declare a variable more than once.
That's true. A variable must only be declared once, but whatever is stored in that variable, whether it is the reference to the object in memory or the actual primitive data, that value can be reassigned to a different variable.
Let's use this code as an example. This program seems to tell us to reassign that variable Ollie to store the current value of the variable gizmo.
That means that since the variable gizmo currently stores the reference to this purple turtle object, the variable Ollie will now store that same reference to the purple turtle object. Our memory model does not change in this case because the variable Ollie already stores the reference to the purple turtle object. We do not need to redraw our memory model.
Right. Similarly, the program reassigns the variable Mish to store the reference that the variable Ollie currently points to. Since Ollie points to this purple turtle object, the variable Mish will now store the reference to the purple turtle object as well.
Okay, so in lines 7 and 8, the program calls the variable Mish to turn left and move forward 20 spaces. I remember earlier when the program called Mish, it moved this red turtle object. Does it still move the red turtle object?
I'm not quite sure.